okay, it's S again. So today I did this makeup look like New Year's Glam on Aida. So I used Sundays, glow with the flow in Sundays. And the lipstick, I had two choices, so you guys can choose Feasty or Jolly. So yeah, if you guys love the tutorial and like
so if you guys want to see how she did this on me, so don't skip this, watch it.
Okay guys, so she already did her face. So this is, we're going for New Year's kind of look.
New Year's Glam.
Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna put eyeshadow on her lid. I mean, she already prepped and everything. So I can buat just warm tone, nothing smoky or anything, and then just some glitters lah. So let's get started. So now, as usual, what I always do for transition, I just start with a very warm brown. And then you blend circular motion. Okay, I'm gonna use this color for her macam dekat the outer corner, is it? Yeah. And ni pun I macam I blend more dekat outwards and then I macam masuk inwards like that. On top, I akan letak this gold color. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, this gold I akan apply with my fingers here. But because of her monolid, so I'm gonna have to put macam feel like this area dekat mata. And then back to the brush yang transition color tadi, you just blend everything. Because of the glitters tadi ada a bit, so you just brush and brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the other eyes now, and then we're gonna go and then we're gonna do the face. I can letak like last things sekali. And then now we're gonna proceed with
the face.
We're gonna put glow with the flow in the shade Sundays. In the shade Sundays. I usually do is I letak sikit dekat belakang tangan I. I'm just gonna blend it with my brush. Liquid highlighter first because because it's a New Year's Glam, right? And then using powder highlighter. Powder highlighter to add the glow. And last but not least, since it's the festive season, like New Year's, we're gonna use Jolly from our Festive Edit 2.0 collection.
We're gonna give you 2 lip options to go with this bold eye look. So this is Jolly on the lips. It's a warm coral nude. So with this bold eye look, it matches well with something nude like this, or you can switch it up with something a bit bolder but not overshadowing the eye look. So here's lip option 2. It's Feasty, terracotta nude. I feel like when I wear this shade, it makes the whole look monochromatic. If that's what you're into, then good for you. So I feel like I'll settle with this look, this monochromatic-ish look, with Feasty on the lips and Sundays on the cheeks, which are both Velvet Vanity products. So there you have it, our New Year's Glam look. Do comment below who you guys want to see next on our channel. What kind of looks do you guys want to see? If it's swatches, more makeup tutorials, or just tips and tricks, do comment, and we promise you we'll give more of this kind of videos soon. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.